Hello dear students. Today we are going to learn subject English standard 3rd related words. Dear students, today we are going to conduct an activity in our classroom. Mind map activity. On the screen I will show you a picture. You tell me at least 5 related words about the picture. Understood? Let's start. And the first picture is school. Now look, listen carefully and read and write those words in your notebook. The related words are ground, student, teacher, classroom, principal. The next picture is a school bag and the related words are books, pencil, ruler, eraser, notebooks. Next picture, classroom and the related words are chart म्हणजे वर्गातील तक्ते, duster, table, chalk, blackboard वर्गातील फळा. And the next picture is sports and the related words are player म्हणजेच खेळाडू, hit, kick, throw, skip. Next picture is village म्हणजेच गाव, houses, trees, farm म्हणजे शेती, well विहीर, pond म्हणजे तळे. Next picture is city and the words are building, street, factory कारखाने, मॉल मोठमोठी दुकाने असतात ना शहरामध्ये, ट्रेन. Next picture is bird and the words are wings पक्ष्यांची पंख, eggs, nest, beak म्हणजेच चोच, फ्लाय पक्षी उडतात त्यामुळे हा सुद्धा त्याच्याशी संबंधित शब्द आहे. And the next picture is tree and the first word is leaves पाने, wood लाकूड, roots झाडांची मुळे. ट्रंक झाडाचे खोड. ब्रँच झाडाची फांदी. And the next picture is park, बगीचा. And the words are trees, slide, swing म्हणजे झोपाळा. फाउंटेन म्हणजेच कारंजे. ग्रास म्हणजेच गवत. तर बालमित्रांनो, या सर्व शब्दांचा पुन्हा एकदा सराव करायचा आणि तुमच्या नोटबुकमध्ये छानपैकी हे सर्व शब्द लिहून काढायचे. तर भेटूया नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये. तोपर्यंत बाय बाय अँड थँक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस व्हिडिओ.